Hi, my name is Teacher Sheila and I'm from Cebu, Philippines. My hobbies include singing and gardening. I'm here to guide you towards your journey in English. I've always worked in companies with diverse culture where English is the only form of communication. I wish to impart this gift to you so you may connect with the world as deeply as I have using the language. I'm here to teach you that in a fun and natural way. I can teach you grammar, vocabulary, fluency, intonation, pronunciation, and everything else. The style of the lesson will depend upon you and your interest to ensure that you are enjoying. We can be as crazy as you want to, or we can also be totally serious. My goal is to make you stand out and be heard. So, join me now, and I will help you improve your skills in English. See you then. Bye.